And also a discussion that's been dubbed as a pro-life discussion is around the death penalty. First, what are your thoughts on the death penalty?
Well, I don't believe that the death penalty is a pro-life issue, because everyone on death row has taken a life or more other lives. So I don't believe that those two. I know people like to put them together, but the person who's on death row has taken a bunch of lives.
Sure. But I want to talk to you about how the clemency hearings that's currently going on with Governor John Bel Edwards.
I think that is ridiculous. Let me tell you, there are families out there who have gone through not one, but 2 trials. So for a person to get the death penalty, they first have to be convicted by unanimous jury. And then the Senate, you go through the sentencing phase, which is, are you going to grant them the capital punishment, which is another round of voting. Then those families go through appeals processes. They have to relive all of those tragedies. And the state has promised them justice. That's a contractual obligation. Right now, the state has promised families around Louisiana their justice that they signed up for, by the way. They participated in because that's what they wanted. When we don't administer that justice, we erode the system.
And so the state has also not performed a lethal injection in over 10 years. Would you be open to the law changing to allow other options to avoid those court challenges with lethal injection?
Well, we have litigated all of those issues as Attorney General. It is open right now. I sent a letter to the governor. You go look it up. The only thing that is standing in the way of those executions is the governor. That's it. I mean, there's nothing. We don't have to worry about that. I mean, we look. Texas is doing it. Arkansas is doing it. Mississippi is doing it. And when I say they're doing it, you know what they're doing? They're administering the justice and granting the people, the victims out there, the justice that has been promised to them.
So am I safe to assume that should you become the governor that you would give the green light for these injections to take place?
Absolutely. 100%.